What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. All right, guys, we got a 2017 Audi Quattro. It's a hatchback. I don't know if it's an S5, he debadged it, or an A4 or A5 or S5. Anyways, Audi Quattro turbo. What we got done on it's got a really nice stance to it. Catalytic converter up there somewhere. Then it goes 2.5-inch pipe. Then he brought his own MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK. Part number, he's coming, 10416. There'll be a link in the description for it. Right there, MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK. Then it wires out the back, and we deleted the rear mufflers there and there and ran 2 1/4 pipe because that's what was run on it originally. So 2.5 in the middle, 2 1/4 out the back on each side, there and there. And he brought his own 4-inch tips, rolled edge. There'll be a link in the description for them also. Out the back, cleans it up. Looks really nice, really clean. Nice little hatch. Audi. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it that we cut off. There's the resonator we cut off and replace it with the MAGNAPACK. Okay, so there's the rears, there's the mid. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys check out our merch that we have been dropping lately. Not too bad. You see, you only hear that. But you heard it, right? Yeah. Now you know what to look for. Yeah, now you're hearing just that. Yeah. Perfect. Again. 102. Again. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Audi A4 Quattro. All-wheel drive. You don't see these every day, guys. Look at that. It's a hat. He upgraded the turbo. He has a high-flow cat, downpipe, everything. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy, guys. That sounds awesome. I'm still here.